Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a revolve surface is discussed here. Today Solidworks lecture 2nd is discussed here, and Solidworks surface modeling learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, Solidworks surface modeling all command is one by one is learn here, and advanced point is also discussed here, and project is also discussed here. Okay, today discuss here revolve surface. Okay guys, at first open a SolidWorks software and discuss here a revolve surface. Okay, this is our SolidWorks interface, and all command is a surface modeling is all command is discussed here, and this is a command is not activated. And at first select a plane and draw any simple geometry, and then all command is activated. Okay, at first select a plane is a front plane, and use a some simple draw a geometry here, and then okay, this is a line is used here, and draw a simple geometry. This is a correct. Okay, this is a body is a perfect. Okay, and both is a equal. Select and press Ctrl button, and this is a equal. Okay, and mention any dimension. Dimension is this point, and this is a the 25 is correct, and this length is a 30 is better. Okay, and radius is a 30. 25 is correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and okay, this is a 30. Both this also 30, because both length is a same equal. Okay, all is a perfect, and draw any axis, because this axis is a revolve this profile. Okay, this is a simple construction line. Okay, this is a perfect. Body is a draw here. This is a okay perfect. Body is select here. Okay, this is a 30, better is 40 is correct. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this profile is drawing here. Use a surface modeling, and this use a revolve surface. Okay, and exit, and this click a revolve surface, and body is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, all already select here, and this is a click, and okay, this is a revolve. Okay, this is a select, and revolve command is a select here. Okay, this is a perfect. Click OK, all is correct, and click OK, and select a background white plane, and this is a background also change here, and this is a cartoon is a perfect. This is a apply here color is okay, this is a color is a this is also a click here, and metal, and okay, nickel, copper, brush is a apply here. This is a perfect. This is a correct. This is a correct. Okay, and cartoon is a Okay, this is also correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, swept surface command is coming soon, and next lecture is coming soon. Okay. Okay. Okay guys, thank you.